Grab a bowl and turn it upside down, just like this. Next, take 1 tablespoon of salt and sprinkle it right onto the base of the upside down bowl. Now, pour a small amount of water onto the salt. Not too much, just enough to dampen it. Next, grab a knife. We'll add a little toothpaste to each side of the knife's blade, just like this. Spread it out evenly. Now, take a piece of paper towel and gently rub the toothpaste across both sides of the knife blade. Make sure to coat the entire blade. Take the knife and rub the blade against the salt-covered base of the bowl. Move it back and forth for about a minute. You'll feel the difference as you do this. Once that's done, grab a plate with clean water and dip the knife into it to remove the toothpaste. Take a fresh paper towel and dry the knife completely. This knife used to be dull. It wouldn't even cut through a simple tomato. But now, after this quick and easy trick, the knife is sharp as new. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly it slices through anything.